everybody, thanks for coming by. Today we're going to do an Allure unboxing. I have seen some of the spoilers, so I happen to know that this box is full of masks. I don't know if they're all the same, if all the boxes are the same and have the same masks, or what the specialty of each mask is. We're gonna get in here and find out what kind of masks I've got in here. Yay. I've discovered I say yay a lot. Awesome, or woohoo. What does one say? We're going to get in the box and discover what they've sent to us today. Better. So I've started doing these unboxings and I'm really liking them, and as long as people are willing to watch, I'm going to keep doing them because they're fun. Okay, glasses, sorry. Mostly sorry for the reflection, but anyway. So it comes with a nice book. Oh, and it tells us what each of the masks does. So as we go, I can read and then there'll be no surprise. Right on top we have a rose lip mask from Kokostar. Very cute. Let's see what the book says about it. And I mean, I imagine it says apply to lips. Lips will be wonderful. It says, it smooths, hydrates, and plumps lips with rose water. And it's free of parabens and phthalates, stuff you probably don't want to swallow. It smells lovely like roses. Look, they're admitting right up front, it's nearly impossible to keep on your lips when you're sitting upright, which is a great excuse to lie down. So I guess I will apply this to my lips and take a nap. I don't think it takes that. But once it's off, it moisturizes without leaving too much serum behind, making it a great base for lipstick. Normally, it would be $38 for 20 of them. We have one, which is nice. It says you can buy it at Anthropology, so that's fun. Okay, next we have Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask. Well, this sounds like a heaping pile of funness. I will definitely do, you know, I should do some of these, should make a video, do one every couple days and then put up a haul. Okay. It says the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask. It says it has a devoted following already, and it's easy to see why it's so beloved. It comes in two pieces, one for the top half of your face and one for the bottom, to better fit most face shapes. I would think most face shapes would be very similar. Ours is not a question why. It's transparent, so you can wear it on, I'm sorry, I am pre-laughing. It's transparent, so you can wear it on flights, since it doesn't look too obvious. Something tells me that somebody's gonna notice. You know what? If you will do it, good for you. Wear it on your flight. It's the holidays. Arrive looking rejuvenated. Okay. It says that it's soothing enough to calm my skin's redness. That is very exciting. As we've discussed prior here, I have crazy sensitive skin that wants to get red, so yay. It hydrates really well, and it breaks up the flakiness I get in my dry patches. I have to tell you, I am very excited about this right now because I have redness, I have dry patches that as the winter goes on, sometimes turn into flakiness. Although, I'm hoping that my new Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Whipped Moisturizer stops me from getting the dry patches. I am waving this thing around like it's a weapon. Okay, it says you can buy this at glowrecipe.com. Next we have FlashPatch from Patchology, and it is a rejuvenating eye gel. You probably knew that before me because you could see it, didn't you? Let's see what the book says. Glittering under eye masks that work quickly. Within 5 minutes, my under eyes felt super hydrated and looked brighter. See ya dark circles. Okay, I am also very excited about this one. I have dark under eye circles that I double conceal and bake and translucent, and so if I can just fix it all with a patch, which I'm sure I can, that'll be so exciting. This is going to be fun. This Allure box is awesome. This was a great idea for people to try masks. The soft, comfy gels tighten puffs with caffeine and plump fine lines with moisture. Wow. This person says they like to use them while they're doing their eye makeup because it preps your under eyes for concealer and catches shadow fallout all at once. Well, that's really cool. This says that it's $15 for 5 pair, and you can purchase it at Anthropologie. Did I tell you that the last one was, oh, it doesn't, oh yeah, $8 for the watermelon one, $8 per. Very cool. Okay. Oh, next we have a little box of Invisibobbles. These are those new things that you pull your hair up with. What the heck? You guys know me and love me, right? I can go ahead and, supposedly, they look like telephone cords. They look like telephone cords if you're old like me. If you are not, you probably A, don't know what a telephone cord is, and B, don't know that that's what it looks like. Anyway, looks like an old telephone cord. And you pull your hair up with it, and supposedly whether your hair is thin or thick, it works well, and it does not leave creasing in your hair. So when you get done with the job you're doing and you pull your hair down, it's not got a big lump of a line in it. Right. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it up. I hope it looks okay. Next we have Glam Glow Supermud Clearing Treatment. It's a nice little, probably 2 uses if I was guessing, 0.5, so half an ounce. It says, if you wear foundation every day, are prone to breakouts, and are generally on the market for a skin detox, good news. This charcoal and kaolin clay mask is like a vacuum cleaner for your pores. As it dries, I can see all those little dots, especially on and around my nose where the oil is being sucked out of my skin. Okay, it says that this is $59 full size, and well, we both know you can get it at Sephora. I don't know if they do Glam Glow at Ulta or not, but you know you can get it at Sephora. I'm not gonna, you know what, I'm not even gonna open it because I can't use this. My skin is dry. I mean, even in the summer, I'm not as dry, but I'm not ever like oily. So I am putting together a giveaway. I'm so excited that one of my videos, the one where I did the Drunk Elephant Sakari baby facial, is almost at 1,000 views. And I know on YouTube, that's small potatoes. But for me, when some of mine get, 40, 50, 60 views, it's very exciting. So I'm putting together a giveaway for, I have 21 subscribers now. So I was trying to decide on a number. I guess I could do that now. Let's decide. Let's say when I get to 30 subscribers, I will do a little giveaway. I have a full size Smith & Colt lip gloss, and I have the Glam Glow. I have a few other odds, eyelash curler, a few other odds and ends that I've gotten. I'll put it together. I'll show it in one of my next couple videos. And when I get to 30, we'll do a giveaway. I will work out how to do it. In one of my next couple videos, I will post the giveaway and we'll go from there. So it's very exciting. 1,000 views. I know. What can I tell you? Okay, what do we have next? We have a Pearl Brightening from Lapcos. It's a pretty rose gold foiled container. And it says it is a metallic sheet mask. I really wish I was ready to get in there. Metallic sheet mask? That sounds very cool. It says it's brightening. And this sheet mask makes good on its promise to brighten. I always wear foundation, but this mask made my skin look so radiant all over that I skipped my usual base routine so the glow could just show through. Well, that sounds very exciting. It's loaded with serum, but it never dripped. I was actually running around cleaning my apartment. Oh my goodness, I thought it was going to be another I left my house and went to the airport story. She was just cleaning her apartment. And the mask didn't slip or move. After she took it off, she says that she rubbed the excess serum in and her skin was bouncy with moisture. Even her cheeks, which are generally dry, felt nice and soft. It says you get 5 of them for $14, also an Anthropologie purchase. I'm seeing a trend here with a lot of these masks, Anthropologie. And last but not least, we have Starskin. This is big and I don't know if you can tell, it's really thick. It's a Starskin exfoliating mask is what it says on here. Oh, it's a double layer foot mask socks. Oh, I wish I'd known this was coming. I haven't used yet because I'm taping this Thanksgiving week and I was afraid that it might make my feet tender, but I just bought the Boscia foot mask ones and I was going to go ahead and do a video of that. So now I have another set for, I think they say once you've softened, you're good for 2 to 3 months, but I'll do this one next. But let's see what it says. Okay, it says, there is such a thing as a sheet mask for your feet. And it's basically a pedicure in overdrive. You tear open the package and inside you'll find a pair of plastic socks lined with a lactic acid peel that's designed to get rid of calluses. Slip them on, they feel squishy, and get ready to watch TV so you're not sliding all over your home. So no cleaning your apartment, no running to the airport. Rinse off your feet after an hour and wait for it. Over the next week, calluses peel off like a snake molting, which is as satisfying as it sounds. You don't use these if you've got cuts or blisters on your feet, and it's $15. Yeah, that's basically the same way you do the Boscia one. But they say that, I watched a couple of the videos, and I hadn't decided whether or not I was going to make a video of when I do the Boscia one. So let me know below if you think that's something you would like to see. I watched a couple. I don't know how I feel about watching other people's feet peel. It seems kind of personal, but I wanted to know. I wanted to know, like, was it going to molt off in one big, or was it going to be like a sunburn? It was somewhere between those two things, but when her foot was done, it was very soft and slightly red like a new baby. So I'm hoping for the same results, but I'm going to wait until a couple days after Thanksgiving, after Black Friday, and I'm out there running around in case my feet get, because they say your feet can get super tender afterwards because you basically have to callus them back up a little bit. And I don't do pedicures because I'm one of those weird people that doesn't generally enjoy somebody else messing with their feet. So, I mean, I do my own pedicures, but I don't get them out there. I'm going on way too long about this pedicure. Okay, so there we go. We have tons of masks, and that was the Allure Beauty Box this month. It was a mask month. We got the Invisibobbles. I have 3 of them, and it's kind of a goldish, champagne-ish color. I mean, it's not something I'm wearing out of the house, but when I wash my face in the evening or when I do one of these masks, they're going to be awesome. Okay, we got the Starskin foot booties to exfoliate our feet. We got the Pearl Brightening mask for our face. We have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Jelly Sheet Mask for our face. We have the Patchology Rejuvenating Eye Gels. Eyes. We have the Rose Lip Mask that we have to lay down while we do. Also not an airport one. And the Glam Glow Exfoliating Mask. That is very cool. I should tell you, the Allure box, the Allure Beauty Box, is a $15 a month subscription. You can find coupons out there or things that, you know, if you sign up through me, which is not me, you get like $5 off your first month. Or with mine, when I signed up the first month, I got a little La Mer cream to try. That was kind of fun. So it's worth looking around and finding a deal where the first month they send you extra goodies and give you $5 off. I find that the best place to find those is my subscription addiction. She usually has all the latest, greatest coupons that you can use for boxes. So if a person was mathy, they would tell you that, oh, this is really mathy. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, in a minute, after I've done with this, I'm going to go add up what these are worth. And I'll put a little, you're probably seeing it right here. Do we think I'm clever enough to pull that off? This is the value of the box. I've really set myself up for failure with that. I'll get it somewhere on the screen, but won't we all be impressed? Okay, guys, I hope you had a happy Thanksgiving or are having a happy Thanksgiving. I'm not sure when I'm going to get this posted. And I will see you soon. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more of my unboxings. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye-bye.